Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am featuring a lip gloss by the brand Laura Geller, and it is the Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss in the shade Smooch, which is described as a pale rosy pink shade. It is one of their cream formulas, and with the lip hugging lip gloss, there are 16 different shades. 10 of them are shimmer and 6 of them are cream, and this is a cream formula. So I am going to be swatching it for you on my lips. Don't mind my dry to normal lips. They are natural full-size lips, so they do have all the wrinkles, but this gloss definitely helps to make them look plump. And this does have key ingredients like vitamin A, C, and E for antioxidant properties that increase lip hydration. It has an emollient blend of lip conditioners for smoother, softer lips, and it does not contain animal-derived ingredients, alcohol, nanomaterials, gluten, parabens, mineral oil, and soy. This feels cushiony on the lips. It's sheer to medium coverage. It has a lip-loving blend of lip conditioners and vitamins, and I've been loving it, and I love the shade. It is true to the description, pale rosy pink. It retails for $21 for 0.11 ounces of product. And yeah, that was my video, guys. Hope it helped you out in any way that it could, and I will see you guys all next time in my next one. Bye guys.